The civil rights movement is a core part of Tallahassee's history. During this time, students from Florida A&M University partnered with local leaders, high school students, and Florida State University students to protest unequal treatment under the law. Their history is our history, and their actions were crucial in the larger civil rights movement, garnering the attention of Martin Luther King Jr. and the nation. Today, we honor those civil rights champions who worked tirelessly to bring equal justice for all.